Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp shortcut in Google Chrome. This is a really handy trick if you use WhatsApp web frequently and want instant access right from your browser's homepage. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches, you'll land on the homepage where you can see all your existing shortcuts. These shortcuts are designed to give you quick access to your most visited sites, and adding WhatsApp to this list will save you time whenever you need to check your messages. What pins? Now look at the shortcut tiles on your homepage. You'll notice a plus icon among them. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to add a new shortcut. This will open a small pop-up window where you can customize your new shortcut with a name and URL. In the pop-up window, you'll see two fields. The first field is for the name of your shortcut. Click on it and type in WhatsApp or whatever name you prefer. This is what will appear under the shortcut icon on your homepage. So choose something clear and recognizable. Next, move to the URL field below. This is where you'll enter the web address for WhatsApp web. Click on the field and type in whatsapp.com. Make sure you enter it correctly so the shortcut directs you to the right place. Once you've entered both the name and the URL, click the Done button to save your new shortcut. And that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp shortcut to your Google Chrome homepage. Now, whenever you open Chrome, you can simply click on the WhatsApp tile to instantly access WhatsApp web without having to type the URL every time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.